everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel, and today we're going to learn a really good and useful trick. It's called a stacked single crochet, and we're going to use it for the first stitch in every row or round when we use double crochets. These two squares are made with the same yarn, the same number of stitches, and the same hook. The only difference between them is stacked single crochets in the first stitch or a chain 3 and then a double crochet in the first stitch. So let's start. To work a stacked single crochet in rows of double crochet, we're going to work into the first stitch of the row, which is the last double crochet we did in the previous row. Going to take your hook, insert it into the first stitch, and work a single crochet. The single crochet is made of 3 loops, the right one, the middle one, and the left one. We're going to insert our hook into the left loop, like this, then yarn over, pull through the left loop only, and when we have 2 loops on our hook, I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2. Now we'll have 2 stitches that look like this. Remember that the top one is always the one that we will crochet into. If you use the chain 3 method at the end of each row, you will have this bulkiness on the sides. And if you use the stacked single crochet method, it will be nicely straight and aligned. If the pattern that you're working on requires a magic ring and double crochets inside, instead of chaining 3, a stacked single crochet is a much better option. We're going to insert our hook into the ring, yarn over into the ring. Then when you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Then we'll have 3 loops, making the single crochet, the right one, the middle one, and the left one. We're going to insert the hook into the left one. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through the left loop only. Then we'll have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And this is our first stacked single crochet that will count as the first double crochet. Then you will just continue working double crochets into the ring, as many as the pattern requires. When we finish the round, it will be much easier going into the stacked single crochet instead of a chain 3. The stitch is much more comfortable for the hook to go into. In addition to stacked single crochet method being a lot more comfortable for the crocheter, you can clearly see that stacked single crochet looks much better when using it in rounds. It's making the circle look more full without any gaps between the stitches. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tip helped you on your crochet journey. If you want to learn more tricks and techniques, be sure to check out the other episodes in this series. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps support my work and lets me keep bringing you more crochet content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next episode.